Working out is one of the best ways to improve your well-being, and if you want to stick to a consistent routine, having some workout equipment at home can be a big help. So in this video we will discuss 5 best home gym equipment. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Whatafit Resistance Bands. A good choice for those tight on space. Resistance bands offer a compact and budget-friendly way to add intensity to your workout. When shopping for resistance bands, keep in mind that most are color-coded according to their tension level. Therefore, it's best to buy a set for maximum versatility. Many band sets include accessories, such as handles and door anchors, to improve your range of motion and allow for a greater number of exercises. These highly rated bands from Whatafit are a great option, as they range from 10 to 50 pounds, 4.5 to 22.7 kilograms, of resistance when used individually and can be combined for up to 150 pounds, 68 kilograms, of resistance to help grow and strengthen your muscles. In addition to 5 resistance bands, the kit includes 2 handles, 2 ankle straps, a door anchor, and a travel bag to keep all your equipment in one place. Number 2. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench. With more than 18,000 online reviews, most of which are 5 stars, the Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench is a popular choice for any home gym. With 6 back positions and 4 seat positions, this bench is easily adjustable for a full-body workout. It's made from high-quality steel and durable leather, so you don't have to worry about it tearing or breaking anytime soon. Plus, it's foldable and weighs only 21.3 pounds, 9.7 kilograms, so it's easy to move and store. It comes fully assembled and supports up to 600 pounds, 272.7 kilograms, for a safe and stable workout experience. Foldable design. Made of steel and vegan leather. Sturdy. Lightweight. Number 3. Gaiam Premium Extra Thick Yoga Mat. A workout mat is a simple yet essential piece of exercise gear for everything from yoga and stretching to weightlifting and high-intensity interval training. While there's an abundance of options to choose from, the Gaiam Premium Extra Thick Yoga Mat is one of the best because it's affordable, available in a variety of colors and styles, and easy to clean. It also features a textured non-slip surface to keep you safe and secure while you sweat. What's more, the mat weighs just 3 pounds, lb, 1.4 kilograms, kg, and is extra thick, with 6 millimeters of padding to keep you comfortable on almost any surface. Healthline Nutrition and Fitness editor Kelly McGrain, MS, RD, says this mat is her go-to, and she likes that the surface is easy to grip even during hot yoga classes. Number 4. BalanceFrom GoFit Equipment Mat. Available in 2 sizes and a foldable option, the BalanceFrom GoFit high-density equipment mat is made of a high-density textured material that prevents slippage, adds stability to your exercise equipment, and protects your floor. The mat may also help reduce noise and vibrations. While the 3x 6.5 feet, 91.4 by 198 centimeters, mat is large enough for most cardio machines, the 2.5 by 5 feet, 76.2 by 152.4 centimeters, size works well for smaller equipment or as a supportive surface for bodyweight cardio exercises. As a bonus, the mat is simple to clean and rolls up easily for storage. Textured non-slip surface. Protects the floor from sweat. May absorb noise and vibrations. Number 5. Fitven Freestanding Punching Bag. If you enjoy boxing, kickboxing, or mixed martial arts, a freestanding heavy bag and some boxing gloves are a great investment. Standing 70 inches, in 177.8 centimeters, cm, tall, this punching bag from Fitven is flexible and durable. Plus, thanks to a series of springs, it's designed to absorb shock and reduce noise better than its competitors. Another benefit is that it's freestanding, so you don't have to worry about anchoring it to your ceiling. While you can fill the base with water, the company recommends using sand for better stability. Absorbs shock. Reduces noise. Sturdy. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.